And then as far as what you're talking about regarding the message, right? Mastering your message is what we're talking about. Where does this message go? Is this just like at the top of your website? That's it? Where are we putting our message?
It is on your social media, it is on your website, it's on your sales pages and your landing pages. Anywhere that you want people to take action, you need to make sure you are speaking to the right person. Now, when it comes to mastering your messaging, we're not always just selling on social media. If you're always just selling on social media, nobody is going to come into your community, right? Because not everybody wants to be sold to at all times. In fact, the posts where I am selling get my lowest amount of engagement because people come to me for
Yeah.
my messaging, my truth, my perspectives on everything else. Now, what I do masterfully, and I think you do the same thing, Sabrina, is I drum up engagement on all the smaller nuance types of things that I share, so that when I post my sales options or opportunities to support people, people are already seeing it in their feed, whether they engage or not. But because they've engaged previously in whatever nonsense I've posted a week ago, they're seeing it in their feed. And that
Absolutely.
is the beauty, that's the mastery in engagement and messaging.
Yeah. Love that. And the intentionality too, using the algorithm to your advantage. I think it's another one. I say that a lot in my stories. I'm in my stories 24/7. I do a lot of personal. And I always tell people, like, when you go through my stories, it looks like it's just so fucking random. It's just like randomness, just like business, this, story time, value, content, bitching, whatever. But quite honestly, there's totally a method to the madness.
Mhm.
Like, I intentionally do something a little more off the wall right before I post something regarding my business because I know they're going to watch that all the way through and then boom, hit the business, hit the graphic, hit the sales, whatever it is, um, that's inviting them into my business. There's a lot of pulling people in, shout outs that are done intentionally right before or after some sort of a hook for my business intentionally because I know that they're going to watch it. So yeah,